In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in a Confluence page. This is a simple but really useful skill when you want to draw attention to key information, make instructions clearer, or visually organize your content. Let's start right inside your Confluence page while you're in edit mode. First, find the text that you want to highlight. This could be a word, a phrase, or even a full sentence. Using your mouse, click at the beginning of the text, then hold and drag across to the end of the section you want to emphasize. As you drag, you'll see the text become selected, usually with a different background color, indicating that it's active and ready for formatting. Take a moment to make sure you've selected exactly what you need. If you highlighted too much or too little, simply click again and drag to adjust the selection. This step is important because whatever you select now is what will receive the highlight. Once your text is selected, look just above the page content for the formatting toolbar. This is the same bar where you find options like bold, italics, and alignment. On this toolbar, locate the pen icon. This icon represents the text highlight feature in Confluence. Click on the pen icon. When you do this, a small menu or color palette will appear, showing you several highlight color options. These are the background colors you can apply to your selected text to make it stand out from the rest of the content. Now, choose the color that best fits the purpose of your highlight. For example, you might use yellow for general emphasis or a different color to categorize information, such as action items, warnings, or important notes. Simply click on the color you want, and Confluence will immediately apply that highlight to your selected text. After selecting the color, click anywhere outside the text selection to deselect it and see how it looks within the page. If you change your mind, you can highlight the same text again, click the pen icon and either choose a different color or select the option to remove the highlight, depending on what's available in your Confluence version.